Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable AI sound on LG Smart TV. From the home screen of your device, navigate to the gear icon on the sidebar to open Quick Settings menu. In this menu you're gonna have to navigate to the sound mode tile, press OK or the middle D-pad key to select sound mode option, and using left and right arrow keys, navigate to AI Sound Pro. Once you select this option, the AI sound will be enabled. And that's it. Now you can leave this menu by simply pressing the home button on your remote control. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.